A way of working around the scene and organizing your scene basically is what it's called hiding and unhiding. So far we learned about the layers, how we can turn them off and on. We learned about this organizing object within the outliner. And now let's see if we want, like for example, working under this roof and sorry, and you want to see what's going on inside this room. What will be your approach. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go over here and I'm going to select this roof here. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to right click and then hide this layer. What happened is that I can see what's going on inside that room. It's kind of work as like some sort of a section through the building, and you can start working around the buildings and start editing things. For example, one thing that I have to do, and I realize this when I'm working on this, is that these wall that I create, these are all like one piece of a surface, but in reality it's composed of thickness or multiple layers, so I have to adjust that thickness. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and push pull tools and start giving like a geometry, actual geometry to this. So for example, let's say I'm gonna give some thickness to this, and that's make this wall more realistic and more true than what it is, which is like as one surface. And when I'm done with that piece, what I can do, and I can finish all rest of them, I can go over to the outliner, and you see that on the outliner the roof is already like hide. So I'm gonna right click on the roof, and I'm gonna let's see, click, and I'm gonna right click and on this, and then make this unhide. So by unhiding this, it's gonna be shown as it is. Now I have more things to do, for example, adjusting the roof, the edges, or like creating some overhang to protect the wall on the different sides, and this type of thing. So that basically, it's very helpful when you are working with the multiple pieces. You still need the layers, for example, and you want to just hide one object with your scene because you want to see through them and adjust a couple of things within your drawing.